Today I am going to be using products from Controlled Chaos. So Controlled Chaos has wonderful gentle products for your hair that you can use to wash your hair and to style it. So they do have three key items that are products, and so the first one that they have is of course their hair cleanser. So this is their hair cleanser. It's very gentle. We're going to be using it. They also have the hair moisturizer right over here. So this is the hair moisturizer also, and then lastly they do have their curl cream. Now all these three items, you can get it in a bundle just like this, or you can individually get it separately. So they sell them separately. Next, I also want to let you know that they also have this wonderful comb that I am so in love with. This is their wooden comb. It looks like this. So I've already detangled these two sections of my hair, and I left these last two sections for you all. So the first thing I'm going to do is unravel my hair like this. I'm going to get another clip, and I'm going to take a spray. So we do have a spray bottle, and I'm going to spray my hair just like that. Okay. So gently. Okay. I'm going to remove any shedded hair. You can grab on the cleanser and use that. For me right now, I'm going to just take my comb and just use this to gently detangle. You see how this just glides through my hair? Just glides through. Even my thicker part of my hair is at my root area. And you see, just grabs, goes in there and does what it's supposed to do. I'm going to remove any shedded hair and then just braid this up or twist this up like this. I'm just going to take my hands and walk the water through. See, I'm walking the water through my hair. After spraying your hair, you walk the water through your hair like that. You remove any shedded hair, okay, the clump, and remove any shedded hair. Then you grab your comb and you start from the ends and try and remove any hair that you see, this shedded hair that is hanging in there, and then just comb it out. And you see, it just comes it out so effortlessly. See? Just comb. This comb is especially great for any hair type, but especially our Afro textured hair, because this is, you know, our hair is natural nature. So our hair likes natural stuff. That's why wooded stuff, really, we grew up with that. We didn't grow up using plastic combs in our hair. So this is the Controlled Chaos hair cleanser. Let's first rinse the hair thoroughly. Like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to take it and I'm going to apply it to the scalp area. Okay. Apply this to the scalp. So let me show you what it looks like. It's a creamy product. So I'm going to apply it to the scalp. Okay, I'm going to need some more. And it smells so good. It smells really good. Okay, I'm going to use my fingers. I'm going to grab my brush. So this item that I'm using right now, let me pin it for you guys so that you'll be able to see it. This is the cleanser. Ooh, I'm not wearing my glasses. This is the cleanser. Your girl can see a leak. Okay, so this is the cleanser. Did I put a cleanser? Yeah, so these are the items that I'm using right now. Okay, so I'm just going to use my brush. And it's low foaming. I'm going to repeat it. So first of all, I'm just using it to just gently lift any dirt off my hair, my scalp. Remember, we're not applying this to the hair length, we're just applying it to the scalp. It's low foaming, so you're not going to see a ton of foam, but it is doing something. Ooh, I love the smell. I absolutely love the smell. Okay. There we go. There we go. Whew, that feels good. That feels so good. Okay, so we're gonna rinse. So you see it's low foaming. We're gonna rinse. Woo, if you can see how dirty. You guys see all the dirt? See? Rinsing it for you guys, see? See how the dirt coming out, see? See how dirty it is. Woo! You see how dirty it is? See how dirty it is. That's why I said I'm going to do this 2 times. You see how this thing really cleans my hair, my scalp? Okay. The water is running a bit clearer now. Okay. So I'm gonna do it again. Okay? We're gonna run this again. Oh, wrong one. We're gonna put the cleanser again. This time I'm not taking that much. Start from the edges and then walk it through my scalp. And then use my fingers this time. Just gonna use my fingers like that. And you're using the pads of your fingers. Just use my fingers. Ooh, that feels good. That feels good. That feels so good. Okay. Okay, now when we rinse this time, it should rinse more clearer. It shouldn't be as dirty as it was before. Okay, let's rinse again. Ready to rinse, you can see the water. You see how it's rinsing clear? It is clean as day. Okay, I'm squeezing. Just squeezing the water out. It feels really nice and clean. Feels really nice and clean. You guys see the water running clear? You all see the water is running so clear now. Making sure I'm removing all the products from my hair. Make sure I rinse my edges. Ooh, no water in my eye here. Okay. Some more water. Okay. Now see? It is all clean. Let's see how well this product did. Take it out. Okay, so this is my hair after I finish washing it. Okay, so this is my scalp. You guys see how clean it is? It's very, very clean. Very, very clean. Even in between, just to show you, in between gets clean too. See how clean that is? See how clean. What I'm going to do now is the next thing is to use their hair moisturizer. This moisturizer, you can use it as a conditioner. Leave it in your hair for some minutes and rinse off with icy cold water to seal it in. I'm not going to do that because I'm low porosity and my shaft is already sealed in. I'm going to be using it like a leave-in. So this is one of those products that you can use. It's a dual multi-purpose product. You can use it as a leave-in, you can use it as a rinse-out conditioner, you can use it as a detangling conditioner. It detangles really, really well. Really, really well. You can also use this as a leave-in rinse-out conditioner and like a deep conditioning treatment if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to take some of it, just a little bit of it, like this, and I'm going to apply it to my hair. And a little bit goes a long way. You see how it just glides through? I'm going to apply it to my hair, okay, and twist the hair back very quickly. I'm not twisting it to the ends, I'm just tucking it in so that I know which ones I've done, which ones I've not done. Okay, so taking that, just a little bit, apply this to the ends and walk it through, just like that. Okay, walk it through, squeezing it in, and once I walk it through, you can see I'm not manipulating my hairs that much. I'm just going to twist it, 1, 2, 3, 4. Take the ends, tuck it in. Using the curl cream. So this is the curl cream, and this curl cream helps to define, detangle, strengthen, eliminate frizz, and add shine, protects against damage. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to start from this side. I'm just going to take this one off too. I don't like middle parts, and I'm going to create a side part. Okay, starting from this side, just going to create a side part. I love that I can create a side part without worrying that my part is going to have some dirt in it or whatever. So let's do this. I'm looking in the mirror, trying to make sure my parts are clean. Hopefully my parts are well done. Thank you, everyone. Whew. I'm struggling with this part today. Okay, so let me get my hair clipped. Clip this so what's not with my clip? Oh, clip this away. And then I'm going to take down this one also. Okay. You can take the comb if you need to detangle your hair again. You can take the comb and work the comb through. If you need to detangle it, you see how the comb just goes through like that. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm going to get the cream, because this cream is going to strengthen my hair. I'm going to get the cream. That's the cream. And I'm going to apply the cream first to the ends of the hair. Okay, then I'm going to apply it to the length of the hair, like that. I'm doing a praying hand method so that I get it on both sides. And I'm going to walk my fingers through it, like this. Now, I'm going to take my sectioning comb. I'm going to section, sorry, I wear glasses, so hopefully I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to just section a little bit of it. like that. Oh, thank you. Okay, something like this. Give me your crazy eyes now. Get my clip. I'm gonna get my other clip. Okay. So this one, I'm gonna create more sections. Create another section like this. So this section, take this and I'm gonna start twisting it. So that's why I've already applied products to the hair. So all I'm doing now is just twisting, and look at my curls. Look how curly it is. Look how it just curled up my hair. See? Very curly. Okay. See how? Just makes it so curly. Okay. We're gonna take the other section this into half like that. I should probably wear my glasses. Okay. Ooh. Let's see. Giving you crazy eyes. Then I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna section this into half. Like that. Take my comb. Then just twist up this section. Ooh. Just a simple 2-strand twist. So what we're gonna do is, for the rest of the hair, okay, I'm gonna take this out. We're gonna put some of the curl cream on the hair. So just grab the curl cream. We're gonna apply it to the length of the hair. Apply it really well. Okay, just apply it. Okay, so I'm brushing that. Okay, get my hair. Now I'm gonna get my hair tie. Just do it a few times. Now I'm gonna get the comb, the Chaos comb, and use this to tease it. See? Because my hair is still damp. So this will, once it dries up, this will really help. So I don't tie my hair tie too tightly. That's why I can open it. So just use this as a pick to pick out the hair. My hair shrinks up so badly. So I can take this now, and all I do is just take this and swoop it to the side like that. Get my hair clip or hair pin and just pin it. You can twist this part up before you go to bed and stuff. So this is what it looks like. So thank you so much, and I want to say thank you so much to Controlled Curls for gifting me these items, and thank you. So when you guys click on the items, I get a commission from it, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate you guys supporting me. So get these items, click on them, and help support me. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.